pick this one. So you can see two loquat fruits on my hand. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Young Family in our YouTube channel. Today is April 23rd, 2025. In today's video, I'd like to share with you some exciting results. As you can see here, this loquat tree is bearing some fruits. Some fruits might be ripe to pick and taste. Actually, this is a very special loquat tree because it might be over 20 years old seed-grown loquat tree, but it never produced any flowers, never bear fruits until I girdled some branches on this loquat tree in 2023. Stay tuned. Just before I get started, I'd like to mention you on my YouTube channel, there's one playlist named as Loquat Tree Propagation and Care. There are over 30 videos specifically talking about everything about loquat tree. Of all the videos regarding loquat tree, there's two videos specifically talking about this loquat tree. The first video specifically talking about how to girdle loquat tree. The second video, I just show you some results about this loquat tree. Last year, it began to bloom and produce some fruits. If you are interested, go back and click the link down below in the description. Okay, let's take a close look at this branch. You can see here, the electric tape still on here. So basically, I didn't remove it. So this is in 2023, I think in September, I girdled this branch. But unfortunately, this branch did not produce any fruits. As you can see here on the top of this branch, there's a lot of new shoots, new branches. It's kind of like a vegetative growth, but not reproductive growth. So that's why on this branch, I cannot see any fruits and flowers last year. It is kind of the same thing you can see right here. This is another branch. The electric tape is still here. This branch is kind of vertical growth. You can see a lot of vegetative growth. I still cannot find any fruits on this branch. So unfortunately, actually in 2023, I think late in fall, I girdled this branch. The gardener cut off this branch. So definitely I cannot track this, what's going on this branch. So fortunately, this branch, you can see here, I already removed the electric tape. You can see the scar right here. So I girdled right here. This branch is amazing. You can see a lot of fruits on this branch. So basically last year in December, I once made a video talking about, some flowers and fruits on this branch. So right now I just want to show you some fruits. Amazing, beautiful fruits. Actually, I have no idea what kind of shape, what kind of size of these fruits. But right now, you can take a look at this one. It's kind of like a pear shape. You see here, this might be ripe. So this is still green, but the size is pretty decent, to be honest. I like it. This is fruits. And right here, some fruits right here, fruits. And you can check out right here. Right? Some fruits might be, it's already golden orange color. It's kind of ripe. I'm going to do a taste later. You can see some green. The size a little bit smaller. And let's check right here. You see, still green. I think it might be pear shape, right? And it's a little bit tall. You see here, nice, right? It's kind of ripe. And this branch, you see, take a look at. And I put my hand right here. You can see the size, right? And there's some more on the top. It's hard to reach it because I didn't get a ladder right here. So let's turn around right here. Take a look at. Beautiful. The size is very decent. You see some green and some right here. So basically, I want to actually, we already see, right? So it produces fruits. The fruit size is pretty decent. It's kind of a little bit smaller than ping pong ball. And the green one right now is relatively small because they need time to grow a little bit bigger and get ripe. And I want to pick some color. It's kind of like a dark orange color and do a taste. I really don't know what it tastes like. So let's pick some ripe. I'm not sure this one. This one might be ripe. So, right? So kind of. When I break this one, I can feel the juice come out. So is there any other? Maybe not this one. Let's turn around. Look at this one. The size. Beautiful. Hold on 1 second. I think might be this one. Yeah, let's pick this one. So you can see 2 loquat fruits on my hand. So I'm going to wash it and do a taste. It's beautiful. So basically, the color is kind of like orange color. Maybe later the color get dark and dark. So, but I don't want to wait because all the fruits are ripe. We have a lot of wild animals on this campus. So maybe the gardener will trim the tree. So I never know. So I'm going to wash and do a taste. Okay, I just rinsed these 2 loquat fruits. So we can take a close look at these fruits. This is kind of dark orange, maybe a little bit more ripe. And you can see the bottom. So it's kind of like a star shaped at the bottom. I'm not sure this one. So anyway, so I'm going to peel this one first. You see the flesh is dark orange. So kind of not very easy to peel. Or maybe this one, easy. But anyway, I just washed these fruits. The size is very decent, very impressive. So I already peeled. You can see the flesh. So I'm gonna taste. Pretty good, actually. Very juicy. You can see the size pretty decent. Very juicy. A little bit sweet, not so sweet. Definitely not sour, not tart. To be honest, I think it's pretty good. Let me try this one again. So basically, this is kind of like the first year bad fruits from this loquat tree. I think when this tree gets kind of mature, produce more fruits, maybe the taste is much better. So anyway, I'm going to taste again. This one kind of like a flavor more stronger. The first one is kind of like very mild, a little bit tart, but actually definitely very juicy. You can see my hand. So this is a seed inside. So I can keep this seed and grow some seedling. Later, I'm going to graft some other, the better variety on this seedling. So anyway, so generally speaking, so this loquat fruits from this loquat tree taste pretty good, very juicy, sweet, a little bit tart. This is usually generalized loquat fruits taste like this. So guys, if you liked today's video, please give us some up, like, share, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.